I've heard the sun always shines on TV, Dave.
Aha, but not always in Norway.
Dave and I have arrived here in midsummer to a land of rearing mountains and deep fjords. Everything here is on a grand scale, sometimes harsh, but often stunningly beautiful. Likeable and friendly cities punctuate this exhilarating landscape and impresses everyone who comes here. In this film, we find interesting sculptures. I know how you feel, love. Dave gets wet. I pat a Norwegian elg, and we're shown how to dance. Or not. Our fabulous Norwegian adventure begins in Oslo, the glitzy capital. Then we take a train ride across incredible landscape to the fjords. From here, Dave and I cruise to beautiful Bergen, taking in the long days of summer sunshine. Shaped and scoured by the Ice Age, Norway is a very long country, stretching far into the Arctic Circle. It's quite empty too, with a population of just 5 million, and you'll find English is widely spoken. Since developing the oil and gas industry from the North Sea, it's become one of the richest countries in the world. With a strong currency, most visitors should prepare themselves for greater costs than at home. You'll hardly ever need cash either. Payments are all electronic here, wherever you go. This Scandinavian country makes a fantastic destination year-round, thanks to the variety of landscapes, natural phenomena, outdoor activities and ways to travel.